standing in front of Batner Fort. Batner Fort is located in Hanumangarh. And the old name of Hanumangarh is Batner, which means the fortress of Bhat is believed 1700 years old. And this is the most ancient fort of India, and this is most ancient fort of Rajasthan, built in year 295. This fort made by King Bhupat Singh Bhati when he was lost a battle with King Ghazni, and he find a safe shelter in town and built a fort named Batner with bricks. And as you can see the main gate of Batner Fort, there are many spikes on this gate which protect this fort from the attack of elephants. And this gate is very large, and as you can see, there is a part of the Batner Fort. Now we come inside the Batner Fort. As you see, I am standing in front of Banjapir Dargah. Near this Dargah, there is a tunnel which used to go to Bathinda Fort. Let me show you. Come with me. The condition of tunnel is very critical. As you see, there is a tunnel. Nowadays, the condition of tunnel is very critical. The sand inside this tunnel, and this tunnel used to escape during the wars in ancient times. But nowadays, government can close the tunnel with bricks and with iron rods, as you see. Government being trying to reconstruct the fort. Sher Khan, who reconstructed the fort in 14th century and with a better defense system, and Temur, who mentioned in his book that the fort of Batner was a strongest fort in 14th century, but the fort is actually made in year 295, and this is a this fort covering the area of 52 because this fort is made with bricks in that year. Now I am standing in front of Shiva temple. This is an ancient temple. This is a 1700 years old temple. Then the fort was made. This temple is also made on that time. And now I want to show you the view of the whole garden in the fort. You can see the whole view of Hanumangarh from this fort, as you see that. And in this fort, these types of thin bricks are used to construct this fort. In ancient time, these types of bricks are made. And now I will show you the drainage system of the fort. Please come with me. These types of drains are made in whole fort, by which the rainwater go into a well, and after from well the whole water go outside from the fort. And this is a very good thing which is made in ancient times. This fort is occupied by various rulers, but the last emperor who occupied this fort is Maharaja Surat Singh, the ruler of Bikaner, who occupied this fort on the day of Tuesday, and this is the day of the Lord Hanumana, by which the town name becomes Hanumangarh. And on this day, this temple of Lord Hanumana is constructed. And that's all about Batner Fort. Thank you for giving your precious time, and once again, Happy New Year. Bye.